Where do you usually buy your clothes? I buy the clothes in the stores, normally once a month. What do you like doing on the weekend? On weekends, I like watching TV and being with boyfriend. Are you watching any TV series right now? Yes, I watching TV series called Los Protegidos. Are you studying for an exam right now? No, because I don't go to school now. Where did you go on vacation last year? I went on vacation Cancun with my boyfriend in December. Did you do anything exciting last Saturday night? Yes, I went cinema with my boyfriend and dance. Where were you at 10 o'clock last night? At home. What were you doing? I watching TV programs and play game in my cell phone. Were you sleeping when the alarm clock rang this morning? No, because I woke up half hours before. Have you ever had the same dream again and again? Yes, I had the dream 3 times. Have you ever dreamed about something that then happened? Really no. I never dreamed that happened. Are you going to learn a new foreign language next year? Yes, I learned to English. Are you going to do anything exciting next weekend? Yes, I will go to the party with my boyfriend and friends. So you think it will be sunny tomorrow? Yes, only in the morning will it be sunny. So you think your country's soccer team will win the next World Cup? Sincerely no, because the team lacks more preparation. What are you doing tonight? I am doing the activities of the course I am studying.